Hello everyone, welcome back to Most Online Maths class. So this tutorial we'll be looking at this question. Here the question that if 3 is root of the equation x to the power of 2 plus kx plus 42 equals 0, find the value of k. This question here, what we are asked to do is to look simply for the value of k. So to get the value of k, we are going to bring out our solution. Now listen, since we are asked to look for the value of k when 3 is the root of the equation, what is the equation? Here is the equation, which is what? X to the power of 2 minus kx plus 42 equal 0. Since we know that the root of the equation is 3, we can simply say substitute x 3 for x in the equation. So what this means is that wherever we see x in this following equation, we are replacing it with what? 3. We are changing that x in place of what? 3. Since we are having x to the power of 2, instead of writing this x, we now bring down this 3, because we are using this 3 to represent the x. Instead of writing 3x, we are now having 3 to the power of 2 minus k, and here is the x. Instead of writing the x, we are bringing down what? 3 plus 40 to equal 0. We already know that 3 to the power of 2 is same thing as 9 minus k 3 plus 40 to equal 0. So the next thing we have to do here now, in the sense that we are now having k minus k3, and if you look at this 42, there is no what letter. There is also no letter in 9. So if you look at this value here, they are not the same. We are going to separate it. In separating it, we can simply say collect like 10. In doing that, all the numbers that don't have values, we are going to place it, bring it, the number that have value, we are bringing it here, which is what? Minus k3 equal, we are taking all the remaining number that don't have what? Letters. We are bringing to this particular direction here now. Here is plus 42. When it's crossing the sign of equal to, you are having what? Minus 42. And here is 9. In every origin of a number, there is always what? A visible addition. Since we have plus 9 here, when it's coming here, you are now having what? Minus 9. So we are now having minus k3 equal minus 42 minus 9, you have minus 51. Minus cancel out minus. What we have left here is what? K3 equal 51. Don't forget what we are looking for is k. To get the value of this k now, we are going to eliminate this 3. And the only way you can eliminate this 3 is to simply divide both sides by this 3. So in doing that, I will now have k3 all over 3 equal 51 all over 3. Then 3 here cancel out this 3. What we have left here is k equal 3 divided by 51. You are having 70. So therefore, the value of k is equal to 70. So this is the answer to this question. I'll be dropping this video on my page. I want you to like, comment, and share. If you have any question reference to this hobby, so please drop it in my comment section. See you. Bye.